Let's go!
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Keep it simple, Tito Arno's Vlog. Ito na ho, we're here. Finally, we're here. We're not at the Whistler Blackcomb, or we're not in Vancouver. We're here in Edmonton, Alberta. It looks like the same as in Whistler or in Vancouver, but we're here in Edmonton, Alberta, where all the families, friends, loved ones are gathering, having fun. So we'll experience, they will experience the snowboarding for the first time, our family members, and vacationing here in Edmonton, Alberta. So let's enjoy the day. And I love the weather. So cold, but no complaint. This is what I want, and here we are. We'll see the 360. Here we go. Let's enjoy. Yan, nagla-line up po. This is the lineup where you can go to the individual, double, that's a single, double, sit there, and then here they are, 3 of them.
Hello! Ulo.
Lock!
So ngayon, paano yung book nyo? Lagay nyo sa ano? Para po.
Pinagap. Marami pong nag-i-enjoy. People are enjoying here. People, you know, family, friends, every age. If you love outdoor or snow, come and visit the Rabbit Hill Snow Resorts, where you can have fun and de-stress. This is it. This is the place. There's no entrance fee, but only on the lift. You can pay that because you're using electricity. I think that's they are there. 3 of them are there. Still up. There we go. See, it's very busy. It's really busy here at Rabbit Hill. So I'm just waiting here for them. Ayan. You got my phone. Oy, ikaw ba tumawag? Ayan, 3 ata kayo nandyan, nakaupo eh. Oo. Sa harap na ninyo. Okay, sige, nandito lang ako. I'm waiting. Guys. Okay. Ayan na sila. they are coming, but still there. See that? They're afraid to come down. So here we go. But Jeff is there. So ayan. Lamig naman. It's very cold right now. Time check. 4:01. Even my camera is freezing. Go there and get the lift going up there. You want to go uphill? Here we go. Hi, Jeff. Mauna ka na. Sila ba yung tumatambling-tambling dyan? Stunt woman? Oh, yeah. Kikita ko eh. So, ang layo. Ayan. Okay, sige. Hintayin ko kayo rito. I'm here. Okay, bye. Ayan, ang mga professional dito. So, look at that. Look at that. So, ayun, ang hindi professional. First time. First timer. Andun sila sa taas. Guys, you don't know how to snowboarding, you have to be with somebody. So, Jeff is there, helping them, but they're having fun, guys. This is the experience of a lifetime for Christina and Janine. Ayan siya, napopol lagi, pero ito na si Jeff, papababa na siya. Ayan, naka-blue. So ayan, si Jeff po. Ayan, Jeff. Si Jeff. Okay, we made it. Ayan. Pero si Janine nandun pa ata sa pinakatuktok.
Andun po. Si Christina.
Ayan na si Christina. Oh. Talagang she's trying her best.
Kasi pupunta ako sa dyan.
Okay, sige. See you here. Ayan, panay ang tumba ni Janine. Ni Christina. Ayan naman siya. Pero nandun pa po si Janine. Ano? Pwede. Ulitin mo ulit.
Pwede! Dying!
Ayan. Masakit ang katawan?
Dying!
Dying daw
Fucking
siya.
medic!
You okay? Pahinga ka muna.
Si Janin, oh.
Nasaan na siya?
Ano?
Nasaan?
Eh, nakapo.
Ayun, nakaupo doon. Rescue nga si Jeff eh. Ayun si Janine. Nagtatatumbling doon.
Aray, para ko napalian.
Oh. Panayang, ayun o. Fall ka agad si Janine oh. So okay ka lang? Anong pakiramdam ng first time?
Napalian ako.
Nabalian ka? Hindi, totoo. Okay. Hindi daw, nagbibiro lang siya. Lobat na.
Nakuha ako.
So ulit pa?
Isa pa.
Isa pa. One more time, she said. So, ayan. Ito po ang 360 ng Rabbit Hill. Yan po sa mga kids. So, dito po ang first time. Pero yung nag-first time, doon na sa professional. On top of the hill, guys. Here we go. And here we go.
Janin.
Ayan si Jeff. Ayan.
Ang galing.
Kan pa rin niya yung kan. Ayun pa si Janine eh.
Ano pa sumama ko kanina?
Oo. Kala. Ayan ho. Finally, nakababa na rin si Janine. Wow.
Isa pa! Isa pa!
One more!
Isa pa! Ano ba lang? Isa pa sa taas? Wala ko! Ha? At ano? Tara! Gusto mo sa taas ka eh! Di dyan, dito muna daw.
When I'm with you, time stops. Seconds are like dreams, a journey,
Kaya
smile
naglalakad ka
lights
parang
my
kanyapang mo yun.
and I find myself in the glow
Ganyan
of
talaga
your
sapatos ko.
perfection.
Oh,
When
pagod na yun. O, pahinga mo na rito. O, tara, Tin.
everything makes sense,
Hindi pwede
the
dito.
world
Dito
is more beautiful, colorful. Love is my greatest asset, and I just wanna be by your side. In your arms I find peace and warmth. Your touch is enchantment, it's pure love.
So, anong experience ng first time na nag-snowboarding ganun?
Ang pagod po. When I'm with you,
Mas makakonto pa to sa gym? Pag nag-gym ka o ano?
pagod po.
Mas nakakapagod ano? Pero masaya. Have fun.
Hindi ko masabi.
Anong mas gusto mo? Yung sa gym mo o itong snowboarding?
Gusto ko po matuto pero first time po.
First time, yes. Gano? But you try your best na makarating sa finish line. Ayan. Si Janine. Ayan. Si Janine, si Christina ho, tsaka si Jeff. Sumakay ho sila. Susulitin po namin ang aming ride. That means go to the left because you pay how much per person?
$21 po yata yung lift ticket.
Okay. So folks, $21 daw po ang ticket. 3 hours?
Yung 2 hours po.
2 hours plus 2 hours. So doon po sa lift. If you want to go to the top of the hill, you will pay $21 for 2 hours. So lobat na po ako. As I said, keep safe, keep healthy, and keep on moving, because moving is power. Ayan, si Christina ho, talagang power. Inabot niya po doon, professional. At si Janine, nandun pa ho sa taas. And it start snowing. So, from Rabbit Hill in Edmonton, Alberta, all I can say is keep safe, keep healthy, and keep on moving, because moving is power. Because if you move, you can see, you can snowboarding, you can do a lot of things, guys. So from here till then, in my next vlog, see you then. God bless. Saying good night and God bless. Bye for now.